everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you some recommendations for Nykaa's summer super saver sale, which is right now live on the website. There are so many offers. I'm just going to suggest you some products that I've already used. I am not encouraging you to shop when you don't want to or if it is not necessary, but if you shop, make sure that your shopping is smart. You're really buying things that you will use. I have divided this video into 3 parts. First is combos, personal care and makeup. Second is the single product, the products that are on sale, the brands that are on sale, and the third part is appliances. So for the combos, I'll first suggest this shampoo by Herbal Essence. So this is Herbal Essence Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner. You're getting both of these at 45% discount, which I think is a huge deal. Now when we bought this shampoo and conditioner both, I think we paid around 800 and 900. This is 700, close to 700, which is like great deal if you want to buy. I've used the shampoo and the conditioner. They are so good on the hair. I love the fragrance, and I'm not going to talk much about it because shampoos are shampoo for me. I don't really feel like any shampoo does like a big difference to my hair, but this I feel really good in. And this is anti-frizz. I think this does a good job in preventing frizz a little bit. Second is this Cetaphil ka combo, which is at 25% off. I think this is a great thing to buy if you're confused about what face wash to buy, what moisturizer to buy. Just pick this up because it's great for sensitive skin. It has no harsh chemicals. I think this does not have fragrance also. I've used the face wash and I really loved it, and I've used it when my skin was like really bad. I had some rashes or something, and it was really calming and really good. Also check out the green tea face hydration combo. Now this has a serum and a night gel. I've used the night gel and the serum both. I've ordered this combo before. I really like the night gel. I think it's awesome even for oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, koi bhi skin type, or doesn't matter. You apply it in the night, you wake up with like really soft, supple, smooth and plump skin. So I think I really like this one. Serum not too much, but itna bura bhi nahi, like it's good for hydration. It works on the texture a little bit too. Next, check out this Neutrogena acne care combo. Now I know this is mini, but I have used the Hydro Boost gel. I'm currently using it and I'm really liking it. Even the acne control face wash, I am loving this face wash. Of course it has salicylic acid, so it works on acne. So if you are looking for something like that, that works for your acne, then I think this is a good thing to try. Next, for combos only, I wanted to mention the gift kit. So this is the M Caffeine ka gift kit and the Mom's Co ka gift kit, which has 35% off, which I think is amazing. I think this is a good deal right now if you're planning to gift it to somebody. So yeah, look at the gift kits as well. For makeup combos, I've bought this Makeup Revolution ka eyeshadow palette ka combo. I really like Makeup Revolution palettes. They are very like basic, and pigmentation and color payout is also good. Doesn't cost a bomb. But this price that you get the 2 palettes for, ये एक palette का price होता है usually, but on the sale you get 2 palettes on this price. So if you're a makeup enthusiast, if you just want to try eyeshadow palettes, you can buy this. So next, let's move on to the brands. For brands, I would highly recommend you to try Ilana Organics if you haven't tried this one. I really love this brand. I think there are good offers right here. Like, so even if there's 10% and above discount on Ilana, you should simply pick it up. I've not seen a larger discount on this brand, and I have reviewed Ilana Organics ka skin clarifying serum on my channel. I will link the video down below if you want to see. Next, do check out Minimalist if you're into actives and if you want to try serums. I've been using Minimalist and I think it's decent. I really like it. They are on discount and on combo, so do check them out. And now I want to mention things like micellar water, body wash, body lotion, body oil, maybe your body bars. It's good if you buy them on sale right now, so check that out also. Thirdly and lastly, I want to mention appliances, things like face shavers. There are these small machines also that you can try. Appliances, hair straighteners, hair tools, even face tools. I will put some screenshots on my screen for you to check it out. I've bought the selfie straightener from Philips. I really like it. My hair's not that long, so it works amazing. Even on long hair, I think it will work amazing because the quality is great. It's not for professional use because the wand is really not thick, but I think it'll do a good job. Yeah, check that out as well. I will end this video right here, and I have talked about things that I have personally used and liked. One thing I want to mention about lipsticks, okay, I forgot to mention lipstick combos are also great. I have bought Smashbox, Sugar, L'Oreal, I think Nykaa, I'm not sure, but like check lipstick combos also. मैंने वो mention नहीं किया because अभी mask and all है तो हम lipsticks वैसे भी नहीं पहनते हैं. But if you're into makeup, you simply want to buy, then I think this is the time to simply go for combos. You can try them out, check them out. That's it for the video. I really hope that you like this one and you find it helpful. If you did, then do not forget to like this video, share this video, also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done it. I will see you super soon in my next video. Bye.